in?
Well, we have ground turkey, we have tomatoes, fresh tomatoes or canned. We also have one thing in here that's the most important is the sweet chilies and spicy chilies.
You guys like spicy food?
No.
No.
I like spicy food. I'm a spicy girl.
Oh, yeah, pass that down here.
I can't wait.
Pass that down. Now, while you're doing that, the secret factor ingredient is ingredient the chili. When you talk about capsaicin, what's especially important to understand is capsaicin will help increase the limit to keep your body when you begin to sweat, and it helps you burn off more calories. Just get an added bonus to it. Ingredients. It'll take a long time to digest, and that keeps you fuller a lot longer. What do you guys think?
Oh, that's amazing. I love spices. Really, it tastes a little like cumin. What else is in it? A little bit of cumin, oregano. Sometimes you use a stock reduction, so it depends on whether y'all do have inside of your pantry.
It's so good, you might overdose. You get 1 cup of the stuff.